The life-saving potential of organ transplantation is undeniable, offering hope to countless patients worldwide. However, the sinister underbelly of the organ trade, especially prevalent in developing countries, poses a significant threat to organ donors. This video highlights the steps Pakistan has taken to regulate and ensure ethical organ transplantation practices through the Human Organ and Tissues Transplantation Authority Act of 2010 and subsequent legislation. In many developing countries, including Pakistan, financially disadvantaged individuals are lured into the commercial organ trade. Patients from more affluent regions seek donors willing to part with their organs for compensation. This exploitative trade often leaves donors without proper post-operative care and compensation that pales in comparison to the recipient's payment. Unethical practices within hospitals and clinics further tarnish the reputation of organ transplantation. Adding to the distressing scenario is the inadequate post-operative care that organ donors receive. Clinics in Pakistan charge recipients exorbitant fees, while donors receive meager sums, exploiting their financial vulnerability. Recognizing the injustice and inhumanity of this situation, the government of Pakistan has taken commendable steps to rectify the situation. In response to these alarming practices, the Human Organ and Tissues Transplantation Authority was established in 2010 under the guidance of the National Human Organ and Tissues Transplantation Act. This pivotal institution is comprised of distinguished medical experts nominated by the Ministry of Health, along with a WHO representative serving as a bridge between HOTA and WHO's technical support. The Act comprehensively governs all aspects of organ transplantation, from donor evaluation to post-operative patient care. Donor screening. The Act mandates thorough medical assessments for potential organ donors to ensure their health and the safety of the transplanted organ. Transplant centers. The Act meticulously oversees the operations of transplant centers, ensuring they adhere to stringent standards in infrastructure, equipment, personnel, and record keeping. Organ allocation. The Act ensures transparent and fair organ allocation based on medical need, patient demographics, and health status. Banning commercial trade. The Act unequivocally bans the commercial trade of human organs, penalizing offenders with imprisonment and fines. One of the pivotal aspects of the Act is the regulation of organ and tissue donation. The Act distinguishes between living donors and deceased donors. It allows living donors who are at least 18 years old to voluntarily donate organs or tissues to genetically and legally related close blood relatives. The Act emphasizes that donations should be voluntary, motivated by genuine intent, and without any form of coercion. In cases where no close blood relative is available, the evaluation committee may permit donation by non-close blood relatives, ensuring strict adherence to voluntary donations. The Act mandates that transplantation procedures must only be carried out by recognized medical institutions and hospitals. These institutions must adhere to prescribed standards and ensure compliance with evaluation committees' requirements. The Act also defines the process of determining brain death, the irreversible cessation of brainstem functions, as a critical factor in the transplantation process. The Act introduces the concept of a monitoring authority responsible for overseeing transplantation activities. Comprising representatives from various medical disciplines and organizations, the monitoring authority plays a vital role in enforcing standards, investigating breaches, inspecting medical institutions, and enhancing the quality of transplantation practices. The Act incorporates stringent measures to deter illegal and unethical practices. Additionally, the Act outlines punishments for the unauthorized removal of human organs, unauthorized transplantation, and contravention of any other provision within the Act.